In this video, I'm going to show you how we can optimize our website. So as you can see here, this is our e-commerce website. So let me show you the current status of this website. So let's check that website analysis. I'm using here that pagespeed.web.dev. That will give you the overview of our website. Now, as you can see here, the performance is 89 and the mobile performance is 52. And that should be 97, 98 or 95. Okay. And the mobile view, as you can see here, is just a 52. Now we need to increase this. So how we can do this? So it's really very simple. So go to your website dashboard. Okay. So that's my dashboard here. In the left side, you'll see the plugin option. Click on the add plugin and just search your Tan Web and you'll see the Tan Web Booster. So just install this. Now we need to click on activate button. This is the Tan Web Booster plugin. Now we need to click on sign up and connect. So you can sign up with any email ID. Okay. So you can try the TAMP email also. You can sign up with your Google account or just use your email. Now it's done. Now you can apply the standard, balance, strong and extreme needs in this website. So that is the extreme applied here. Okay. Now let's go to the dashboard again of our website. So you can just, so let's open the dashboard of our website. This is here. Now I'm going to just check this. Okay. So let's click on the analyze now. Okay. We know the desktop view is around 89 and the mobile is really very low, around 50, 55. So let's see how that will work for now. And as you can see here, performance is 98%. That's really amazing. And the mobile view is also 94. That's really, really fantastic. You can try to run your website on the Google. Like once you open a website, that will just open in by few seconds, as you can see. So this is the overall technique. Using this, you can optimize your website. There are a lot more techniques we will learn in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.